Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discuss orally questions, word file, hard words. Now today we discuss our another question answers. Okay. So everyone open your notebook and start writing. First of all, question number B, that is tick the correct option. First question is, when Mrs. Black looked at the man sitting on the seat facing her. So what is the answer? She remembered that she had seen his picture. Question answer is what? Answer is C. She remembered that she had seen his picture in the newspaper. Clear? Now next is question number 2. Question number 2 is what? When the man in the train took out a knife and opened its blade. So what happened? Mrs. Black wanted to jump to her feet and shout for help. Next, third question is what? When the train stopped and the man got down at the station, two policemen saluted and greeted him. So these are the correct answer. Okay. Now next is question C, reference to context. First is line, write down, I have to leave for the office now. This is the line, and question is, who said these words and to whom? Okay. So answer is what? Mr. Black said these words. Mr. Black said these words to Mrs. Black. B question is what? When did his thought occur? When did his thought occur? So answer is what? This thought occurred to Mr. Black. This thought occurred to Mr. Black. When he was seeing of Mrs. Black. When he was seeing of Mrs. Black. Clear? This thought occurred to Mr. Black when he was seeing of Mrs. Black. Okay. Now see. See what happened immediately after this. What happened immediately after this. So answer is what? Immediately after this, immediately after this, Mrs. Black waved, Mrs. Black immediately after this, Mrs. Black waved goodbye to her husband, and then she sat down in a corner to read a magazine. D is, question number D is what? Question D is what? What do you come to know about the speaker from these words? What do you come to know? What do you come to know about the speaker? From these words. Now, Mr. Black was a conscientious person. Mr. Black was a conscientious person who liked to be punctual. At his office. Clear? So this reference to context, A question is complete. A question, all D parts, all 4 parts completed. Next. Second, but what shall I say? But what shall I say to the guard when he comes? To the guard when he comes. So question of these, first is, question 1 is what? Who is I in the above line? Who is I in the above line? Answer is, I in this line is Mrs. Black. I in this line is Mrs. Black. Second is, what was the person contemplating of doing? What was the person contemplating of doing here? here? Answer is what? She was thinking of pulling the alarm cord to stop the train. She was thinking of pulling the alarm cord to stop the train. Pulling the alarm cord to stop the train. Clear? Next, third one is third is what? Third is, do you think that the man indicated, write down question, write down what I speak. Do you think that the person indicated was Do you think that the person indicated by I was worried or frightened, or both? Why? Answer is what? She was both worried and frightened. She was both worried and frightened. She was both worried and frightened. She was afraid. Of the man who was traveling with her because she thought he was a killer. And she was worried because, one minute, she was worried because she did not know what to do if the train stopped and the guard came to ask her why she pulled the alarm cord because she was not sure if the man with her if the man with her was actually the killer, whose picture killer whose picture killer whose picture she had seen in the newspaper. She had seen in the newspaper. She had seen in the newspaper. Clear? So, again listen this third question. Do you think that the person indicated by I was worried or frightened or both? Why? She was both worried and frightened. Okay? She was afraid of the man who was traveling with her because she thought that he was a killer, and she was worried because she did not know what to do if the train stopped and the guard came to ask her. Why she pulled the alarm code? Because she was not sure. Okay? Because she was not sure if the man with her was actually the killer whose picture she had seen in the newspaper. Okay? So now these question answers reference to context completed. Now next we discuss in next class. Okay? So you all remember one thing. You all start revision, learning work. Okay? Everyone start learning work. You all learn these hard words, word file, as well as question answers also. Question answers are very important, word files are very important. So, I think your exam and I send you syllabus, grammar syllabus also, and that reader syllabus also, but listen carefully. In reader 3 chapters come in exam, chapter 2 poem and chapter 3. Clear? Word file learn carefully because so many word files are coming in exam. Clear? So, thank you and have a nice day.